Alright, so this is a 97 GMC Sierra 3500. I don't know if anyone else is having a problem with their horn, but this horn is haunted. 1 a.m. it just starts going off. So I took the fuse out and I just don't use the horn. I go get it inspected, pull the fuse, put the fuse back in, let them hear the horn, take the fuse back out. Well, last night I forgot to take the fuse out and the horn started blaring 1 o'clock in the morning, and just a ridiculous thing I shouldn't have to deal with. Nobody should have to deal with that. So I ripped it apart today to look to see exactly what's going on here. So to me, is what it appears is the factory installed this plate backward. It should sit like that. What I'm doing is I'm pushing on this control, this little electrical fitting right here. I believe that's where it's supposed to be. You push the horn, makes the contact. Well, it just happens to sit like so close that it doesn't make any contact until it gets a little condensation in there, and then it makes the contact. It was raining last night, the horn went off, and for the final time. I'm just so sick of that. So you can't find this on eBay. They want $40 for the steering wheel cover and horn. So I've got a couple options. I was thinking about squirting some silicone in there and letting it dry. That would I'd still be able to use the horn, or I can cut these little things off, flip it around, maybe put some screws in there. I'm not sure if that would work, but I don't know if anybody's having that problem with their horn where it's going off at all hours of the night. But I'm sick of it, and I'm going to fix it, and I'll post an update of what I do. See, that's where it sits. That's where it should sit until you honk the horn.